Hey travelers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome travel tips. Today, we're talking about something fun, how to take the perfect couple photos while traveling. Whether you're in a bustling city or on a remote beach, these tips will help you capture memories you'll cherish forever. Let's get started. Tip 1. Plan your location. First things first, pick your location. Find a spot that highlights the beauty of where you are, but also creates a perfect backdrop for your couple shot. Look for iconic landmarks, scenic landscapes, or even cozy cafes that reflect your travel vibe. The background should tell a story about your trip. Tip 2. Use a tripod or selfie stick. If you want hands-free shots, bring a tripod or a selfie stick. Set it up, frame your shot, and use a remote shutter or timer on your phone or camera. This way, you both can be in the photo without needing someone else to take it for you. Tip 3. Try different angles. Don't just stand there, try different angles. Mix it up by shooting from above, below, or from a distance. You can also experiment with wide shots to capture the entire scene, or zoom in for intimate close-ups. Tip 4. Be natural and spontaneous. The best couple photos capture real moments. Don't overthink your poses. Be natural, walk hand in hand, share a laugh, or even dance together. Candid shots often turn out to be the most memorable. Tip 5. Golden etour is your best friend. Timing is everything. If you want those dreamy, golden-lit photos, aim for the golden hour, right after sunrise or before sunset. The soft light will give your photos a warm, magical glow. Tip 6. Use editing to enhance your photos. Finally, don't forget to edit your photos. You don't need to go overboard, but a little tweaking with brightness, contrast, or saturation can make your photos pop. Apps like Lightroom or VSCO are perfect for quick touch-ups. And that's it, guys. Taking great couple photos while traveling doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about having fun and capturing the moment. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which tip was your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. See you in the next adventure. Happy travels. And scream with call to action. Subscribe and watch next options.